This is the SmallRig RF 10C portable LED, and you'll be shocked what it can do. SmallRig just dropped the RF 10C, a mini spotlight designed to give you those high-end cinematic projection shapes without breaking the bank. You can use it to create cool background textures like this, or spice up your product photo shoots. In the box you have product along with charging cable, light filter adapter and 20 distinct gobos and a soft velvet carrying bag. The light is really well built. It's made entirely of metal, which gives it a really premium, heavy feel even though it's super compact. For mounting you get 3 1/4-inch threads and all the controls come down to a single rotating knob. And this light is not full RGB, it has 4 distinct lights: white, orange, red and blue. To use it, you twist the knob past the halfway point and a green indicator light shows you it powered up. Now this can get a bit tricky. I mean, even though it says that you need to rotate it halfway up, you need a little bit of rotation to really turn on the light. Now turning it clockwise cranks the brightness up and counterclockwise turns it down. Once it flashes, it means you have reached the maximum or minimum settings. To switch colors, you give the knob a single click, and to shut it down, you just press and hold the knob. To focus the beam, you physically pull the front lens element out to tighten the spotlight circle or push it back in to go wider. It's a bit stiff, so keep that in mind. Now the best part is the filters or the gobos. You have 20 different patterns. Some of them are awesome, like this realistic window light behind me, and some geometric slits that instantly add texture to a boring wall. A few of others, like the heart shapes, are a bit wacky for my taste, but it's nice to have options and experiment different patterns. So this is the 10-watt light, and honestly it can feel a little underwhelming based on your environment. So if you're working in a tight light control environment like a studio, this has no issues. You know, the brightness is more than enough. But if you're in a well-lit room and you have no much control over other lights, the brightness is not too much and it's not built to overpower daylight. To sum it up, here's what I love and what I don't. Pros: it's incredibly versatile, it's very compact and highly portable. And the build quality is really premium and it feels as if it's gonna last forever. And for this price range, you're getting 20 distinct patterns, which is also really amazing. The cons is that the 10-watt output is a bit too low for especially brighter environments. And the zoom is a bit limited. And also it's a bit stiff. So to get a tiny spotlight circle, you need to bring the light very close to the surface, and with that, you know, there is a chance that it will appear in your camera frame. And the edges are not very sharp, they're a bit soft and fuzzy. Finally, SmallRig doesn't have any mounting accessory whatsoever along with the slide, so we will have to adjust with whatever mounting options we have, even though there are 3 1/4-inch threads that's available on the light, but still we do not have any mounting accessory, which is again a bummer. So long story short, it's a fantastic budget friendly light that's equally suitable for content creators and product photographers and anyone shooting in a small controlled spaces. So if you're a professional looking to light a large production set, this is not for you. This is just a handy small light to just elevate your small YouTube videos to the next level. Now what I use it for is mainly for backgrounds like this. You know, it really creates depth in your video and it looks like as if, you know, a sunlight is hitting through the window frame. So for all my videos, I'm planning to, you know, experiment different gobos for my backgrounds. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. It's been a while that I've done a tech video and I really like making such videos. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you want to check out the SmallRig light, you can check down in the description. that's pretty much it for this video. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzir. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.